Hello everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to change layer color in Illustrator. First, open the Illustrator, then create any design. Then go to the window menu, click on the layer. Here we see layer box and 3 layers. Every layer is a different color. If you want to change layer color, then click on the corner icon and select the option for object and click on this. Here we see more color. If you choose any color if you want. Now we change layer color. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe to our graphic solution tricks channel and click on the bell icon for more updates.